your body's greatest hits of evolutionary regret. You, my friend, are a walking museum of evolutionary leftovers, a living, breathing, occasionally sneezing exhibit of nature's, close enough design philosophy. Your body is packed with parts that once served a purpose but now mostly just sit there, collecting dust and occasionally causing problems. Ever wondered why you have wisdom teeth that only seem to bring pain or a tailbone with no tail? These are your body's way of saying, I used to be something, once. So let's take a tour through the most bizarre ways your body clings to its evolutionary past. Let's get right into it. Number 10, the appendix, nature's time bomb. Ah, the appendix, that tiny worm-like pouch hanging off your large intestine. Once upon a time, it helped our herbivorous ancestors digest cellulose from plants. Now, it's mostly known for causing appendicitis and emergency surgeries. Some scientists suggest it might play a minor role in our immune system, acting as a safe house for good bacteria. But let's be honest, if it decides to throw a tantrum, it's straight to the ER. So while it might have a cameo role in your gut's ecosystem, it's mostly just a ticking time bomb waiting to explode. Number 9, wisdom teeth, the molars of misery. Remember when our ancestors needed extra molars to grind down raw plants and meat? Yeah, those days are gone. Now, thanks to softer diets and smaller jaws, wisdom teeth often have no room to grow, leading to impaction, pain, and dental bills. They're like that extra piece of furniture you have no space for but can't get rid of without a hassle. Number 8, the tailbone, a tail without a tail. The coccyx, or tailbone, is the remnant of a tail our primate ancestors used for balance and mobility. In humans, it's a fused set of vertebrae at the base of the spine, serving no significant purpose. Occasionally, it gets bruised when you fall on your backside, reminding you of its useless presence. Number 7, ear muscles, the wiggle that was. Ever tried to wiggle your ears? Some people can, thanks to vestigial muscles that once helped our ancestors move their ears to detect sounds. Now, these muscles are mostly dormant, occasionally activating when we try to focus on sounds, like a ghost of functions past. Number 6, goosebumps, nature's deflated airbags. Ever found yourself shivering, and suddenly your skin sprouts tiny bumps like a plucked chicken? That's your erector pili muscles at work. In our furrier ancestors, these muscles would contract to fluff up their hair, trapping heat or making them appear larger to predators. In modern humans, with our sparse body hair, this reaction is about as useful as a screen door on a submarine. Yet the reflex persists, a vestigial echo of our evolutionary past. Number 5, the palmar grasp reflex, baby's first cling. Place your finger in a newborn's palm, and they'll instinctively grasp it with surprising strength. This palmar grasp reflex harks back to a time when infant primates clung to their mother's fur for safety and mobility. In today's hairless human society, it's more of a charming party trick than a survival mechanism. Number 4, plica semilunaris, the remnant of a third eye. That small pinkish fold in the inner corner of your eye. It's called the plica semilunaris, a vestigial remnant of the nictitating membrane, or third eyelid, found in some animals. While it once served to protect and moisten the eye in humans, it's a non-functional leftover, a subtle nod to our evolutionary history. Number 3, male nipples, a developmental quirk. Ever wondered why men have nipples? During early fetal development, all embryos follow a common blueprint, developing nipples before sex differentiation occurs. In males, these nipples remain, serving no role in lactation but retaining sensitivity due to nerve endings. They're a benign byproduct of our shared developmental path. Number 2, palmaris longus, the phantom muscle. Press your thumb and pinky together and flex your wrist. See that tendon pop up? Or maybe you don't. About 10–15% of humans are missing the palmaris longus muscle entirely, and guess what? They're doing just fine. This muscle, once crucial for our tree-dwelling ancestors to grip branches, is now so redundant that surgeons often harvest it for reconstructive procedures without any loss of function. It's like having a spare part you didn't know you had, and probably don't need. Number 1, Darwin's tubercle, the ear's tiny throwback. Take a close look at the rim of your ear. If you notice a small, pointed bump, congratulations, you have Darwin's tubercle. This minor feature is thought to be a vestigial remnant of a larger, more mobile ear that our distant ancestors used to swivel towards sounds. In some mammals, such ear mobility is crucial for detecting predators or prey. In humans, it's just a quirky little bump with no known function, a subtle nod to our evolutionary past.